Today, nothing special. This is the 2015 Lexus ES350. What happened in this car is, let's say that you are drive on your street and you cross the curb to your driveway and have a little bit slam or how do you call it? Kind of alley a little bit, and then you hear a clunking, either from the front or from the rear. Okay, so on my car is on the passenger rear, and I checking shock, I checking bushing, I checking everything, and I don't see nothing wrong with it, but keep having that noise. When I inspected this car, I found that my hold on my wheel first. The sway bar linkage kind of weak, so I thinking, replacing this to see if that's solving the problem. Okay, because why I say weak, because you can see that how loose it is. I think that is the only way that I can think of that will making that popping noise from maybe from here, not from the front but from the rear. Okay, so I'm going to replace all four, and very simple, just one bolt on top, one above the bottom. Okay, and that's this is nut 17. Got this from online. I forgot how much it cost, but no more than 20 something dollars, not even close to $30, I think. And compare the difference. So this house is very tight, and compared to that, see how much loose it is. Okay, I will replace this. So if this doesn't work, then I would say it's not the problem, it's not solving the problem, so we'll be looking for the next solution. But hopefully this is the solution for the popping noise. And you can see the difference when one is so loose and the other one so solid. So easy and simple, only two nuts. I'm not going to show you how to do all four because it's so simple. Oil change even more difficult than this thing here, so you can do it yourself. Don't take your car to the dealership because changing this sway bar linkage, because they're going to charge you a lot of money. You do yourself, save you some money for yourself and your family or your friend or your girlfriend or whoever. Okay, after I done all four, I will test drive and then give a report back. This is the part number in case you got interesting to looking online, try to see how much you can save your money besides buy from the dealership. This may not be the same quality at the dealership, but not cost as much as the dealership anyway. And if they last 4 or 5 years like this one, then I'd rather buy from online, because this is only 5-6 years. I got a 2015, now it's a 20, so it's 5 years old and already worn out. So if I can get that for the 2 years, then that would be pretty good already. And that's for the front. And from the back, this right here. Okay, that's the number for the sway bar linkage in the back. And look almost the same, but just the back shorter than the front longer. Oh boy, let me tell you, the good news is after I replaced the aftermarket cheap stuff making from China, it worked. It doesn't making that popping noise no more. I was like taking down the rear seat, taking down the back seat right there, try to figure out to see if that maybe the shock nut is losing or anything like that, and I couldn't figure out. And one day I was like looking at my other video that I did on the Honda popping noise, and I remember the sway bar linkage, and that's why I took out the linkage out and checked. That's why I see was how much play it have. So that's why I decided to order this online, and pretty cheap. And I think I got 4 for probably less than $40, something like that, on eBay. And you got the part number, and if you have a noise like that, I recommend it. Just go order one to put in your car, and you do yourself. If you know how to take the tire off, you should know how to taking care of that sway bar linkage. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. Stay from coronavirus. Okay. All right. Bye bye now.